Hi, this is Alvaro from the Antonio Yachts, the sales team, and now, today, I'm going to show you the D50 Open. Come on board. So, welcome on board. This is the D50 Open. This is a 50-foot yacht with 4.4 meters beam, and the thing that we are making with our yachts, we have outboard engines hidden beneath this platform, this huge platform over there. So we are winning this huge space that it can fit like 5 or 6 people on board, and also a huge platform over there, and you can fit this sofa as well. There's the possibility to have it a hydraulic platform as well, but it is a fixed. If we get in, with this hydraulic button over there, we will open the compartment for the engines. So we have space for 4 outboard engines. We are working with Mercury Verado. It has 4 engines of 300 horsepower, and we are reaching a top speed of 48 knots and a cruising speed of 30 knots with a consumption of 40 liters per hour, so quite nice. With the outboard engines, we are having less maintenance, easy cleaning, easy access. Also, the propellers are slipping out of the water, so it's better for the cleaning. Yeah. And here you will see this huge tender garage. You have a tender garage and a full place for storage for the fenders, lines, and everything. Torpedo engine. Yeah. If we come here, this is the lounge area. You have a space for 12 people on board, and if you need more space, you can take this out. These benches, small benches, hidden beneath this fixed bench. This is the kitchen. You see, we have the sink and the cooktop. You can have as well a grill and an ice maker and a fridge on both sides. And some more space for storage, shelves, and everything. This is the hardtop. This is a nice feature to be under the sun when it's so hot. You can be here like relaxing in the shade. These are the 4 bucket seats with huge space and a nice view for the maneuver. This is the console with a carbon layout, buttons, bow thruster, the 4 engines, throttle, and this is the flaps of Lenco for the trimming. You have these 2 screens of 12 inches from Simrad, and that's the normal standard. So if we come down, you'll see here a nice bow cabin for a double bed. Some storage space as well under the cabin. The closets. And the access to your own toilet. And when you are on board, the guest can come from the other door. This is the shower. As you see, it's really high. You have a lot of space here. This sink and this shower. And if we come to the aft, you will see this living area with a huge sofa. You can fit here like 8 people or 10, and if you want to go to sleep, you just flip this table, put some cushions on, and take this table up to there. Yeah. Sorry. And you can go for sleep. And this is the nice feature that we are innovating with a 50-foot yacht. We have installed a jacuzzi in the bow. You take these cushions off, and there are some inlet for the water that we are taking it from the water. See, and you can fit 3 people here. So this is the anchor locker. You have your chain here and the anchor. Yeah. No, this is a covers and everything. You have more space with this hatch. Thank you for visiting us here in the Cannes Yacht Show. We are the Antonio Yacht, and we are pleased to meet you wherever you want. Thank you.